My home office is all decorated for the fall. Let's go. Okay, love. So at the end of the video, I'll give a breakdown of where the items came from in this tour, and I'll see you guys then. love. So I'm just going to give you a breakdown of what I have going on here in my home office. Starting here with the mirrors that I have on the wall. These mirrors came from Home Goods. The candle holders over here came from Home Goods. The candles, the cerulean candles here actually came from Z Gallerie. I got those on clearance when the store was closing. The lanterns here came from Home Goods. The owls that you see inside of the lanterns came from At Home. My poinsettias here came from Z Gallerie. The light string here came from Walmart. I like these lights because these lights actually, these are some beat sync lights. So I can change the setting. And the favorite setting that I like on the lights are the ones that, the setting that change with your voice. Let's see. I'm not sure if I can get that. Oh yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that's the setting that change with the sound of your voice or music or whatever. Because you can see it moving around while I'm talking. I think that's so cute. I have 2 sets of those. I bought them last year after the Christmas season. So moving right along to my Ming boxes over here. These Ming boxes, I purchased those from Z Gallerie. This pumpkin here came from Pier 1 and I love it. And my sideboard here or buffet stand table here came from Johnson, Maine, but they have these on Wayfair and I've linked it a few times. It's only like, I think $500 for this sideboard, which is really, really cheap, inexpensive, because I've seen this same one for like $3,000 or $4,000 on other websites. So look at the lights blinking as I talk. So anyway, moving right along. So these little ottomans here, I broke my neck when I saw them because they match my Ming boxes and they match a few other things that I have. So I purchased these from Ross. I think they were $29.99. And I can also use these as storage because I need as much storage as I can get. So I have some more fall items in these and that. And I also have some more fall items in that one. So when I decide to do a video like 10 ways to do this and 10 ways to do that, I can just pull my other fall items out. Now, you guys, I have a video of me putting up my fall tree. I did have some people to want me to do a detailed instruction on how I created the top to my tree. I may do that before the fall is over. I'll try my best to do so. And I'm loving my tree. It's so cute. This is the first time ever that I put up a fall tree. And I was inspired by Kenya over at Kenya's Decor Corner. And I also see that a few people was inspired also to put up a fall tree and even to use these fall letters that I have in my tree. I saw a few other people to do that as well. So I'm loving this tree. So now moving right along. Now this is not really how I would want this area to be decorated, but this is how I have it decorated right now. I like these little pumpkins here came from Dollar Tree, and these leaves over here, these are actual flower pots. They came from Pier 1 and they were on clearance last year after the fall. This is a planter as well. And these acrylic shelves, I got these for like $9.99 from Z Gallerie. They had these like 70% off, and then you get another 10% off. So I purchased those, and these came from Home Goods. They're just some little storage boxes. This gold wall art here came from Z Gallerie. Got that on clearance as well. Then I have some more Ming boxes over here from Z Gallerie. My staple and tape holder came from Target. Then I have this candle here, came from Home Goods. This stand here, this is actually a bathroom stand that I'm using in my home office. And I have my lamp here. Love this lamp because it goes perfectly well with my crystal ball and my jack set here. This tray came from Home Goods. My bling glasses, I'll place a link if you're interested in seeing where those came from. The coffee cup came from Home Goods. My pens and pencils came from Home Goods. Then I can go on to this old school Z Gallery pumpkin, and my little container here with the gift. My neighbor gave me those. And then I have an acorn here. You guys won't believe this acorn actually came from Target, and it's actually a coaster set. I thought this was so cute. Yeah, it's a coaster set. It was $19.99, and I purchased it last year. Thought that was cute. Now, I don't have the desktop that I want, so I actually use my iPad here, and I love these flowers here, you guys. I'm going to use these all year round. They're going to be perfect for Christmas as well. They came from At Home, and they were like $2.99 a stem. And then I have this print Lead a Life That Shines. I love that. Totally Dazzled has it where you can actually print free quotes. I'll leave the link below just in case some of my glam girls or guys want to print some free quotes. And here I am again with one of the old school Z Gallery pumpkins and another one. My curtains actually came from Home Goods. They're actually shears. And then moving over here, the leaves actually came from Home Goods. That planner up there came from Ross. I don't know what I want to put in there. I just bought it because it was gold. And this vase here came from Pier 1. The stand at the bottom came from Home Goods. And the wall art that's on my wall actually came from Hobby Lobby. This chair I've been wanting to get rid of forever, but I haven't. I want to get a more glam style chair, but I'm going to hold on to that one for the time being. This gold bar cart came from Home Goods, and some more Z Gallery old school pumpkins. And the wine glasses came from Home Goods. Everything on there actually came from Home Goods except for the canister here, the canister set. It actually comes with some shot glasses in there. It actually came from Z Gallery. And I have some little stirrers at the bottom and a couple of pumpkins. And this knotted pillow here, this knotted pillow came from, where did this come from? I think it came from Burlington. It was so cute. Well, it's still cute. Now let me move back to I don't think I talked this much on a video in like forever. So this desk, now I am not fond of this desk. I will be replacing this desk to get me a more modern like desk, but I got this desk on clearance at Rooms to Go. It wasn't even $100, so I went ahead and purchased it. But I'm wanting like a desk that has the white at the top and the gold at the bottom. I've seen those, so that's going to be my next purchase for my home office, because this is definitely not my style, but I went ahead and purchased it just for the time being. I'm going to have to stop doing those purchasing just for the time being, because what that does is waste my money. So back over here. So this little pillow here, the round pillow came from Wayfair. And this rug at the bottom came from Home Goods. And then I'll move over here to my bookshelf. So the top, what is this, vase? Here, it came from Pier 1 like 5 or 6, maybe 7 years ago. I just love it. I don't want to get rid of it. Then I have some candles that came from Home Goods. Okay, now these are my DIY bookends, the acorn bookends. The ceramic books came from Z Gallery. This ceramic squirrel here came from Home Goods. This pumpkin here, this is really, really cute. I like this. It came from Home Goods. This particular item here came from Home Goods. Now this butterfly candle came from Z Gallery, but this particular candle holder here came from Home Goods. So now my Victorian tea light holders here came from Z Gallery, and my pumpkin came from Home Goods, and that acorn came from Hobby Lobby. My coffee table books came from Amazon, and everybody knows these beautiful stems here came from Pier 1. That vase came from Home Goods, and the pumpkins down there, the gold pumpkin came from Home Goods. The white and gold one came from Burlington, and the vase under there came from Home Goods. My bookshelf itself came from Rooms to Go, but I'm going to leave a link below because you can purchase this same bookshelf from Wayfair. Cheaper price, free shipping. Rooms to Go does not have free shipping, and the price is a little bit more higher. Now over here, I have these florals here, came from Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off when I bought them, and they're gold. I'm feeling gold now, you guys. So then I move on down to a smaller squirrel and a pumpkin. Both came from Home Goods. This stand here came from Pier 1 about 6 or 7 years ago. And this wall art over here came from Pier 1. So this sums up my home office. And probably the next time y'all will be seeing this home office is probably when I do like a 10 ways to do this and a 10 ways to do that. Or maybe I'll show you guys how I put together my tree topper. Not sure, but I'm loving my fall tree. So, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.